Right, so I'm going to clean my machine, which I've had for many years and I've never done it. So we've managed to take off the bobbin case and the top plate, the needle and everything. So the fluff in here is beyond. Wow. Goodness me. Right, okay, we better take that out. Right, so I've got my tweezers. Oh, that's a new one, look, with the thing on it. Do I do that? Alright, I'm going to pull out some fluff, and there's a fair bit of it. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Gosh, I wonder it was working. This is probably when I used to do felt, I think. So felt, and we need the over in here at the end of the day. It's all little bits. It's not like one big stash. I'm just going to dig in and see what comes out. Well. Gosh, I don't know when I changed the needle last as well, so I'll do that. Probably should, I say you should oil it or something, but it's another story, isn't it? I'm not a heavy user on my machine. It's like a dress make, but this is more than I thought. I mean, God, look at that. Look at that. It's probably all underneath as well, underneath, wherever. Right, I'll call it a day. Got a paintbrush now, and I'm going to have a dabble in that. See if that picks up anything. I can probably hold my tweezers in one hand as well. There we are. If I clean the bobbin case out, and that's it. There we are. I probably do. There's too many tweezers. Don't know which one to use. There we go, like that.
A soft brush, really.
Which one?
A soft brush, maybe.
Maybe, is it? Wow. Yeah, it's that's big. Perhaps I could do it too, is it?
Yeah, you could take it off the end, look.
Yeah.
Push it back in. You could put the over on it gently. No?
Yeah, I think it probably
on a low suction.
Yeah, it probably would need it really, just to get into the nooks and crannies, wouldn't it?
Should we sort that out?
Because it's all a bit dark in here really, so yeah. But there's surprising what's coming out, isn't it? Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
It's not surprising because it's a closed unit, and yet all these fabrics. Wow. It's bound to work better when it does. You give it a good clean. It's not too bad, other than the over will get to the places I can't get to, I suppose, isn't it? It's like down there, look. See,
Okay.
down there? Yeah.